crawling through your skin. I was far from what had you so poisoned. Far, 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 far. With you I felt the lowest I have ever felt. It was then that I realized that snakes hide so well. Repeatedly mistreated me like I meant nothing, questioning my own worth while you pulled me through it. I wouldn't put you out if you were on fire. I'd watch you burst into flames as I admire the beauty and the pain that you caused me. The lessons I had to learn to love me. Mention me every chance that you have, as if you weren't the cause to my toxic habits. Thought that I'd fall like the rest of them did. Now you hear of my name without even trying. Misery loves company. You see the way you ran your mouth like every bitch in your family. Easy to see the apples don't fall far from the tree. You reap what you sow and God don't play about me. I wouldn't put you out if you were